Introduction to Automating Calendar Sync with IFTTT.
Tired of manually updating different calendars? Learn how you can save time by synchronizing your events across apps like Google Calendar and Outlook, all with the power of IFTTT. This guide will show you simple steps to automate your calendar management, so you never miss a meeting, appointment, or reminder, no matter which calendar you use.
What is IFTTT and how does it help?
IFTTT, or If This Then That, is a free web-based platform that connects your favorite apps and devices. By creating custom automations called Applets, you can link calendars together. For example, when you add an event to Google Calendar, IFTTT can automatically create the same event in Outlook Calendar. This means your schedules stay updated everywhere, effortlessly.
Setting up IFTTT for calendar syncing.
To get started, create an IFTTT account and connect your calendar services. Search for existing calendar applets or build your own by choosing triggers like New Event in Google Calendar and actions such as Create Event in Outlook Calendar. Authorize access to both calendar accounts so IFTTT can manage events between them without manual input.
Recommended applets for seamless synchronization.
IFT offers popular applets for cross-calendar syncing. Common options include syncing new events from Google Calendar to Outlook and vice versa. You can also find applets for Apple Calendar and other services. Explore the IFT applet directory for ready-made solutions that make linking your calendars quick and easy.
Tips for effective calendar automation.
To make the most of IFTTT, choose the right sync direction and avoid duplicates. Decide whether you want one-way or two-way syncing between calendars. Double-check permissions and periodically review applets to ensure accuracy. Regularly reviewing settings helps prevent overlapping events, keeping all your schedules clean and organized.
Enjoy more free time with automated calendars.
Syncing your calendars with IFTTT means less manual work and fewer missed events. With your schedules always up to date, you can focus on what matters most to you. Experiment with different applets and find the automation mix that best supports your daily routine and preferences.